prevent infiltration, that is welcome to the people of Meghalaya.
Katanat PWD jong ke sarkar jela kadang tei ya ke Jingkieng ke Thymmai Hajan ke Pung Umiam na ke bentah ban Ailad ya ki kali he kentup ya ki bos night super bat ki truck bandrung syakanong ba Shillong kumba kalong menta lakang ya kum kini ki kali na ke lenti jong ke Pung Umiam ke ba penong ya ki bos ban sange ha Umiam bat ki truck ki ha ban yad hadu prapo hadu kendai po kilometer ling ba ke Shillong bypass na kaliang us secretary ke PWD Usanjay Goyal ulaong bayakan ke projek labu thong ban pendap no ha uno pra menta usnam.
The water is released by giving quite well advanced notice. So if that is the case, we can take additional precautions in terms of the movement of the vehicles during that release period. Last update was that we should be in a position to maybe activate it by December. Maybe a few months here and there might be the issue, but yes, that will serve as an alternate to the Umiam Dam. That's what my information is as of now.
Ka giant students